Why you welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful restaurant website in Bootstrap 5 fully responsive. Now friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also please watch the video till the end. And friends, here we go. Let's see the beautiful restaurant website. The top section, see the beautiful navigation and hover effect, and now beautiful. Let me refresh it. Then you will see the animation as well. The beautiful top section, below section, see award-winning restaurant, details, beautiful image. Scroll a bit down, see book a table and the stats. Scroll down, see our story section. Also the scroll to top button as well. Our story section, friends. Signature menu, see the beautiful hover effect. Meet our master chefs, see guys. Dining reserve form as well, name, date, the time as well, a special request, why choose us, the premium experience, see the hover effect as well. Gallery section, see guys, with the light box pop-up as well. Testimonials, find us and hours and grants. One more thing, if you will have any kind of query, then you can also contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Contact us page. In this page you will have my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upper query as well. And guys, I am free time full answer. You can hire me for your services as well. Also you will get multiple free stuff on my blog. Now back to restaurant. Find us and opening, and guys also see the sticky nav as well. Scroll bit down. Instagram, see again the light box. Scroll a bit more down, the beautiful footer, see guys. Now this is a beautiful restaurant website, and if you want this website, I will share the code as well. Just ping me via my email as well. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.